Hi, my name's Marie. I'm from Ashland, Oregon, which is just in the south of Oregon. I go to Harvard and I study chemistry. I decided to study chemistry because I'm really interested in figuring out how the world works, why things happen the way they do. Coming into high school, I had some really fantastic science teachers who really piqued my curiosity about the natural world and the technology that we have and how it all interrelates. And so chemistry is really studying why things happen on the molecular level. I decided to come to the center this summer because of the amazing opportunities that I have here that really don't exist anywhere else in the United States. And it's really great working here because as an undergraduate, I've been able to use these instruments and get trained on them so I can use them independently as part of my project. And I've gotten a really great basic understanding of solid-state chemistry and a really great understanding of what research is like. I've done my own independent project and it's been a really great learning experience. I'm currently working on indium oxide thin films. Thin films are used in all sorts of technologies, especially liquid crystal displays. Indium oxide thin films are used in your computer set and your TV, and currently they're made with very high energy techniques, things that require high temperature or low pressure or lasers, and they're really not very green. And so part of the mission of the center is to explore green chemistry, and so I'm working on a way that you can make these thin films without as much energy. I live with other undergraduates who are also working in the center, and one night we were just talking and a girl in another lab gave me an idea for how to improve the surface preparation for the films that I'm making, and that actually had a really big effect on my project, and that wouldn't have happened if not for the center and the kind of collaboration that it fosters. Before I came to the center, I really hadn't had any experience with instrumental analysis. The CamCore facility is a really wonderful collection of analytical instruments that is really unique in the US at least, and I've gotten to use them. I've trained on them so I can use them independently whenever I want. And it's really kind of a unique opportunity that I wouldn't have gotten anywhere else besides the center. Being part of the center has really made me think about what I want to do with my life. Before I came here, I wasn't sure that I wanted to go to grad school. I wasn't sure that research was really the thing that I wanted to do with my life, and I'm definitely reconsidering that. Just the opportunity to work with so many amazing, intelligent people and do real meaningful work using the chemistry that I love to really change the world. So one of the really great things I've discovered about the center that's been really helpful for my project is the opportunities for collaboration. I've been learning and training on a lot of different instruments, but some things you really need an expert to help you with. And so I've really learned a lot about independently driven research through this. I've been mentored and had all the help I could need, but I've also been driving my own research. I enjoy working in chemistry because you're studying things that no one's ever studied before. You're trying to figure out what's happening. On the macro scale, on our scale, you can look at something and it doesn't look like anything's going on. But chemically, you have no idea what's going on. And to be able to elucidate that, to try and figure out what's happening is really, really fun.